How to clean your phone safely. Tips from a tech expert. Your mobile device is a hotbed of germs. An expert reveals how to sanitize it without causing harm. We meticulously wash our hands, disinfect shopping carts, and wipe down cafe surfaces. Yet we often overlook one of the most frequently touched items, our phones. These devices accompany us everywhere, from the kitchen to the dining table and even into the bathroom. But have you ever stopped to consider the last time you thoroughly cleaned your phone, and with what? Phones can harbor a plethora of germs, from bacteria to viruses. The mere act of touching your phone dozens of times a day can expose you to potential health risks. And if you use the wrong cleaning agents or tools, you could inadvertently damage your phone's protective coatings, degrade its waterproof seals, or even affect its touch sensitivity. But here's where it gets controversial. Do phones really need cleaning? After all, they're just devices, right? Wrong. Touchscreens accumulate fingerprints and smudges, which not only look unsightly, but can also affect functionality. Moreover, potential health concerns arise when we consider the hundreds of species of bacteria and viruses that scientists have found on mobile phones. While not all of these microorganisms cause illness, the potential for transmission is real. We use our phones in the bathroom, near our mouths, while eating, and pass them around in meetings, cafes, parties, and classrooms. Unlike our hands, which we wash multiple times a day, phones rarely receive the same level of attention. If you're determined to sanitize your phone, it's crucial to do so without causing damage. Some cleaning products can actually harm your device's surface and internal components over time. For instance, Apple and Samsung advise against using bleach, hydrogen peroxide, vinegar, aerosol sprays, window cleaners, or high-concentration alcohol wipes above 70% on their devices. These harsh chemicals can strip the oleophobic layer, a thin film that resists fingerprints and smudges, making your screen more susceptible to smudging and diminished touch responsiveness. Vinegar, a popular DIY disinfectant, can corrode aluminum or plastic edges due to its high acidity. Bleach and hydrogen peroxide, while effective as disinfectants, are too aggressive for the delicate materials used in consumer electronics. High alcohol content wipes can dry out plastics and make them brittle with repeated use. In short, if the cleaner is tough enough to disinfect your kitchen counter, it's probably too harsh for your phone. So, how should you clean your phone? The good news is that proper phone cleaning is simple and affordable. Just follow the guidelines provided by major manufacturers. Unplug and remove any protective cases or accessories before cleaning. Most tech companies recommend using 70% isopropyl alcohol wipes, not higher, soft microfiber cloths, and anti-static soft bristled brushes made of nylon, horsehair, or goat hair to clean delicate areas like speaker grills and charging ports. During the COVID pandemic, Apple updated its cleaning guidelines to permit the use of Clorox disinfecting wipes and 70% isopropyl alcohol on iPhones, as long as they are used gently to avoid damaging screen coatings or allowing moisture to seep into the device. Samsung offers similar advice, suggesting users wipe down their phones with a microfiber cloth lightly dampened with a 70% alcohol solution, avoiding direct application to ports and openings. Prevent accidental damage when using these tips. Never spray liquid directly onto the phone, as moisture can seep into ports and internal components, leading to short circuits or corrosion. Submerging your phone in any cleaning solution is also risky, even for water-resistant models, as the seals that prevent water from getting in can degrade over time. Avoid using paper towels, tissues, or rough cloths, which may scratch the screen or shed lint that clogs openings. Finally, be cautious about overcleaning. Excessive wiping or scrubbing can wear down protective coatings, making your phone more prone to fingerprints, smudges, and long-term surface damage. How often should you clean your phone? While there's no strict rule, giving it a proper wipe down at least once a week under normal use is a good guideline. If you frequently take your phone into high-risk environments, such as public transport, hospitals, gyms, or bathrooms, cleaning it more often is wise. If hygiene is a top priority for you, cleaning not just your hands, but also the device you touch most every day, makes perfect sense. Doing it wrong can slowly damage your device, but doing it right is simple, affordable, and doesn't take much time. 8. Must-know gadget care tips. Keep your phone, laptop running like new. Essential gadget maintenance. 8 critical tips you shouldn't overlook. For screen and surface maintenance, reach for a microfiber cloth rather than paper towels or tissues. Steer clear of harsh cleaning agents. Instead, invest in cleaners specifically formulated for electronic displays. 1. Maintain pristine cleanliness. Think charging devices overnight is helpful? Think again. Extended charging sessions gradually diminish battery capacity over the long term. For optimal battery health, disconnect your device when it reaches between 80% and 90% charge. 2. Prevent battery overcharging accidents. Inevitable. Investing in quality protective gear, a robust case, and durable screen protector could potentially save you hundreds or even thousands in repair expenses down the road. 3. Invest in protective accessories. Software updates aren't just annoying notifications, they're essential maintenance. Postponing these updates can significantly reduce your device's efficiency and expose it to potential security vulnerabilities that hackers actively exploit. 4. Keep software current. Extreme temperatures are the silent killers of electronics. Excessive heat can damage internal components, while cold environments can dramatically reduce battery efficiency. Always store and use your devices in temperature-controlled settings. 5. Shield from temperature extremes. This cannot be emphasized enough. Regularly save your information to cloud services or external storage devices. A single unfortunate incident or system failure could erase irreplaceable memories and critical documents in an instant. 6. Implement regular data backups. Avoid yanking or sharply bending your charging cables. Implement cable management solutions to prevent unnecessary strain and extend the functional lifespan of these essential accessories. 7. Properly handle connection cables. When connecting to networks in public spaces, exercise caution with sensitive information access. Consider utilizing a virtual private network, VPN, service to create an encrypted connection that shields your personal data from potential threats. 8. Exercise public Wi-Fi vigilance. But here's where it gets controversial. Many tech experts disagree about which of these practices truly matters most. Some argue that modern batteries don't suffer from overcharging, while others insist it's still the #1 cause of premature device failure. What's your experience? Have you found certain maintenance habits more crucial than others? Share your thoughts below. Has following or ignoring any of these recommendations significantly impacted your device's lifespan? How to clean keyboard grunge, earwax from earphones, and screen smudges. Revitalize your tech. A guide to cleaning keyboard grime, earwax from earphones, and screen smudges. In our fast-paced digital world, our devices often bear the brunt of daily use, leading to unsightly grime on keyboards, earwax in earphones, and smudges on screens. But here's where it gets controversial. Many people overlook the importance of keeping their tech clean, thinking it's just a minor inconvenience. However, neglecting this task can lead to not only aesthetic issues but also potential health risks and device malfunctions. Why cleaning matters? Regular cleaning of your devices is essential for several reasons. Hygiene. Keyboards and earphones can harbor bacteria and germs, especially if shared with others. Functionality. Dust and debris can interfere with the performance of your devices, leading to sticky keys or muffled sound. Longevity. Keeping your devices clean can extend their lifespan, saving you money in the long run. Cleaning your keyboard. To tackle keyboard grime effectively, follow these steps. 1. Unplug or power off. Always ensure your keyboard is disconnected from power to avoid any electrical issues. 2. Shake it out. Turn the keyboard upside down and gently shake it to dislodge any loose debris. 3. Use compressed air. A can of compressed air can help blow out dust and crumbs from between the keys. 4. Wipe down. Dampen a microfiber cloth with a mixture of water and isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the surface of the keys. 5. Deep clean. For a thorough clean, consider removing the keycaps, if possible, and cleaning underneath. Earphones. Removing earwax. Earphones can accumulate earwax, which not only affects sound quality but can also be unhygienic. Here's how to clean them. Use a soft brush. A small, soft bristled brush can help remove wax buildup from the mesh and crevices. Dampen a cloth. Lightly moisten a cloth with alcohol and wipe the outer surfaces. Avoid getting moisture inside the earphones. Cotton swabs. For stubborn wax, use a cotton swab dipped in alcohol to gently clean the affected areas. Screen smudges, a clear view. Smudges on screens can be distracting and diminish your viewing experience. To clean your screens. 1. Turn off the device. Always power down your device before cleaning. 2. Use a microfiber cloth. These are designed to clean screens without scratching. 3. Cleaning solution. If necessary, use a screen-safe cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar. Spray the solution onto the cloth, not directly onto the screen. 4. Wipe gently. Use circular motions to clean the screen, ensuring you cover all areas. Final thoughts. Cleaning your tech may seem like a chore, but it's a crucial part of maintaining your devices and ensuring a healthy environment. So, how often do you clean your devices? Are you guilty of neglecting this important task? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's discuss the best practices and any tips you might have for keeping our tech clean and functional.